Hello and welcome to Star Academy. We have already discussed front office and academic in our previous videos. Now let's discuss student informations. While logging our portal, you can see the dashboard. So in the left side, you can see student informations. So click on the student information. Uh, After clicking student information, you can see student details, student admissions, online admissions, visible student, student delete, and student category, student house, and visible region. Yeah. So if you want to see the student details, then click on the student details. Let's click. So you can see the display. You can see select criteria. Here you can see a class, sections, and search by keyword. You can search through by name or admission number. So let's search through class. Like I'll select nursery, and then I'll select section 1, and then I click in search. So after clicking search, here you can see a result of the students, details of the student. Okay. So details, you can, it is a list view and it is a details view. Okay, you can see like this also. And then let's click one student. Okay, I'll click Riso, and you can see his profile, Risu's profile. This is a Risu profile where you can see a different tab here. So see, this is a profile tab. Now let's click on fee tab. In fee tab, you can see the details of the fee. Now you can see, let's click on exam tab. You can see the exam results of this student, and now see in the documents. So there is no record in document, you can upload from here. So let's see in the timeline. So there is no timeline, you can add from here. Let's see transportations. Okay, transportation, you can see whether the student are having a transportation or not. So let's also see the hostel tab. Is the student is in a hostel or not? No, he's not in the hostel, so there is no record of hostel. Let's see the library. So there is no library record. Health, you can see health, no health record, and sport, no health sport. So you can see the details of the student like this. Also you can see the password, login password of the student from here. See, here is a sign up key. So click on the key, login details. Okay, you can see the username of parents, that is Risu parents, and password, and also the student ID, username, and password. So you can share this password with the particular student. And this is a portal, login portal. This is a login portal. Well, this is a login portal. So now let's see how to do admissions of the student, or how to record of the student. So click on the student admissions. So you can see the admission record. Okay, while clicking on the student admissions, you can have a display like this. So add a roll number, class, sections. uh, you have Aadhaar card or citizen card, then you can add here first name, middle name, last name according to show date of birth. You can add the student information from here and save it. Okay, or also you can import from the CSV file, like click on the import student. Okay, and here is a download simple import file. So if you download this, click on this, then here will be one. Okay, see, important student sample file.csv. Okay, so while clicking on this, Excel sheet will be open, and you can fill the record in the Excel sheet, and then you go to the select CSV file, then click on this and go to the download. Here is a sample, you can see. Okay, and which class record are you going to fill, then select class and select sections. Okay, and then click on import. So you can also do online admissions. Now disabled student, you can also see a disabled students here. So you can see in nursery, and search. See, this student is disabled, no more in this school. Sorry, okay, no more in the schools. and then you can select student delete. In student delete is like if you have a double name of student, like double record, then you can delete from here. So if I select their nursery and then sections 1, search, see if there is no any record, duplicate record, okay, then I'll click issue, and then if I delete this, then this will be deleted automatically. Okay, so now if you want to write a category of the student, then you can write here, that is general, specials, or driver student, teacher student. Which category are the student are? So is student are driver's sons or daughter, or teacher student, or principals, or anyone else. So you can write their category. Okay, now you can see here address of the students. So you can write where actually is belonging. So write his name and descriptions, like name in the sense like address, like you can write Janakpur or Mandranagar or anything. So you can see the example, like I will write Dhanusha Mahatari. Okay, and you can also disable a reason by clicking on this. So you can see these all are the details of the student. So you can record the details of the student from the student informations. Okay, if you have any problem, please contact us. So hope you like this video. Thank you.